Soybeans. Non-GMO soybeans are often preferred for their quality. Suppliers are chosen based on their ability to provide a consistent and reliable supply. Soybeans are bought in bulk and stored in silos or large containers. Chili peppers. Sourcing fresh or dried chili peppers depends on the flavor profile desired. Fresh chili peppers may need to be washed, destemmed, and cut, while dried peppers can be rehydrated before use. Other ingredients. Garlic, ginger, sugar, and salt are generally purchased in large quantities and stored in climate-controlled areas to ensure freshness. A fully operational food factory for chili soybean paste will require various types of equipment to automate the processes and increase efficiency. The setup would typically include cleaning machine, automated cleaning systems that use water jets and air blowers to clean the soybeans, removing any impurities. Soaking tanks. Large soaking tanks with timers and temperature controls to ensure the soybeans are soaked to the right softness before cooking. Boilers or steamers. These machines cook large batches of soybeans in a controlled environment. Steamers are often preferred in large-scale operations to maintain consistent temperature and prevent burning. Mashing machines. Once the soybeans are cooked, they are transferred to mashing machines, which grind the beans into a uniform paste. The paste consistency can be adjusted by modifying the machine's settings. Large, stainless steel fermentation tanks. These tanks are equipped with temperature and humidity controls to create the perfect conditions for fermentation. The size of the tank varies, but large tanks can hold several tons of soybean paste. Fermentation process control. The fermentation process can last anywhere from several weeks to a few months, depending on the desired depth of flavor. During fermentation, the tanks need to be monitored to ensure that temperature and humidity levels are optimal. Grinding machines. Fresh or dried chili peppers are ground into a fine paste using industrial-grade grinders. Spice mixers. Garlic, ginger, sugar, and salt are added to the chili paste in precise amounts using automated spice dispensers. Homogenizers. This equipment ensures that the chili paste is smooth and consistent. Homogenization prevents the ingredients from separating over time and improves the paste's shelf life. Industrial mixers. The fermented soybean paste is mixed with the chili paste in industrial-grade mixers. The blending process ensures the even distribution of flavors. The speed and time of mixing can be adjusted based on the desired consistency. Cooking vessels. After blending, the mixture is cooked in large, heated vessels. Cooking helps to further enhance the flavors and ensures food safety by eliminating any potential bacteria. Pasteurizers. To ensure long shelf life, the chili soybean paste is pasteurized. This involves heating the paste to a specific temperature for a certain duration to kill harmful microorganisms without affecting the flavor or texture. Ensuring product consistency and safety is crucial in mass production. Quality control measures include microbiological testing. Regular testing for harmful bacteria, yeasts, and molds is done in an in-house lab or by an external laboratory. Flavor profiling. Trained personnel test the taste and consistency of the product during and after production. This can include pH testing and salt content analysis. Batch records. Each production batch is carefully tracked, and samples are stored for future analysis in case of any issues. Automated filling machines. After pasteurization, the chili soybean paste is transferred into jars, cans, or pouches using automated filling machines. These machines ensure the correct amount of product is filled into each container, reducing waste and ensuring uniformity. Sealing and capping containers are immediately sealed to prevent contamination. For jars, vacuum sealing is common. Pouches may be heat sealed. Labeling machines. Automated labeling machines apply pre-printed labels with the brand name, product details, and nutritional information. The label should comply with local food regulations, indicating ingredients, net weight, manufacturing and expiry dates, and any Logistics and storage. Warehousing. The finished products are stored in a warehouse, ideally in climate-controlled areas. Storing the product at the right temperature ensures it retains its flavor and shelf life. Inventory management. Automated systems are used to track inventory levels, ensuring that product demand is met without overstocking. Expiry dates are tracked to prevent any losses. Distribution products are distributed to wholesalers, retailers, or directly to consumers. Cold chain logistics may be necessary depending on the product's shelf stability. Regulatory compliance and food safety. A chili soybean paste production facility must adhere to strict food safety and regulatory standards. ACP implementation, hazard analysis, and critical control points is a systematic approach that identifies potential hazards and implements measures to control them. Food safety certifications. Many countries require food factories to obtain safety certifications such as ISO 22000 or SQF, which stands for Safe Quality Food. Traceability. Systems should be in place to trace the product back to its raw materials in case of a recall. This includes batch numbers and supplier tracking. Sustainability and waste management. Sustainability is a growing concern for food manufacturers. Efficient waste management and eco-friendly practices can help reduce the factory's environmental footprint. Waste management. Solid waste from soybeans, chili peppers, and other byproducts can be composted or used as animal feed. Water used in cleaning processes can be filtered and reused. Energy efficiency. Using energy-efficient machinery and renewable energy sources like solar power can reduce operational costs and the environmental impact. Packaging innovation. Utilizing recyclable or biodegradable packaging materials helps reduce plastic waste. Scaling the operation. As the demand for chili soybean paste increases, scaling up production involves larger fermentation tanks and equipment. Increasing the capacity of fermentation tanks and mixers allows for higher production volumes. Introducing more automated production lines can help meet demand without sacrificing quality. Expanding into other product lines such as variations in spice levels or different types of soybean pastes like miso or gochujang can help grow the brand. To further increase efficiency, many modern factories are adopting Industry 4.0 practices. IoT integration. Sensors and connected devices can monitor fermentation conditions, machinery performance, and production output in real time, allowing for quick adjustments to maintain quality. Robotic process automation. Automated robots can handle repetitive tasks like cleaning, sorting, and packing, reducing the need for manual labor. Data analytics. Advanced analytics tools can help optimize production processes by analyzing data from different stages, improving overall productivity. The end of the story typically refers to the conclusion or resolution of a narrative. It's the moment when all the threads of the plot come together, and the main conflicts are resolved, leaving the characters and the audience with closure or a final reflection. In many stories, the ending might serve one of several purposes. Resolution. The characters overcome their struggles, and the central conflict is resolved. Moral or lesson. The end may deliver a moral lesson or insight about life, human nature, or society. Open-ended. Some stories leave the ending ambiguous, encouraging the audience to think about possible outcomes or draw their conclusions. Tragic or bittersweet. Not all stories end happily. Sometimes the conclusion can reflect loss, sacrifice, or a mixture of both joy and sorrow. Cliffhanger. Particularly in series, an ending might leave major